So,
But it's such a beautiful, I mean, the characters or the
Characters.
layout.
Have you drawn that yourself?
Yes.
What does it mean?
it is in Sanskrit. It is Satyamev Jayate.
Okay.
And Satyamev Jayate is always at our national emblem. You always have that written.
Yeah,
Truth prevails.
Okay.
Do you have any similar kind of saying in Spanish?
I suppose we do. No, there are all sorts of kind of proverbs about advice.
Advice, yeah.
For example, something that my mom used to say a lot. I mean, she's still alive, but she doesn't say that. But I suppose she's now thinks that I'm old enough to not needing any more advice. I don't know. She used to say, "Dime con quién andas y te diré quién eres," which is something like, if you tell me who you go with, I'll tell you what kind of person you are.
Oh, it's like
Something like that.
it's like in English also. I think they have no. A man is recognized by the friends he keeps.
Something like that, yeah.
Isn't it there's a saying like that? Yeah. It's about on the company people.
On the company,
keep, yeah.
that's right. It's the sort of people
We also have the
you're
similar.
friends with, and they say a lot about the kind of person you are.
Yeah, in Hindi also we have a lot of sayings which shows the importance of good company.
Yes,
Actually,
really.
always. And they say that there was a saying about a poet who wrote this thing that kadli seep bhujang mukh swati ek gun teen jaisi sangati baithiye वैसो ही फल दीन. And that means like there's a raindrop. It's the same raindrop, but if it falls in the mouth of a snake, it becomes poison. And if it falls in the oyster, it becomes a pearl.
Right.
And so the company you get makes you who you are.
Who you are, absolutely.
Yeah. So it's very similar.